It can be inferred that father was A. in the ministry, B. in the military, C. dead, or D. a figment of imagination. Let's go through each choice and see which one the text backs up enough to make this inference. A. In the ministry. Looking through the text, it's hard to find anything to back up the claim that the speaker's father was in the ministry. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect. B. In the military. Contrary to choice A, there are many things in the text that suggest that the speaker's father may have been in the military, namely that he is described as wearing khaki, and that all of the gifts he gives to the speaker are military-themed, such as model tanks, Gurkha knives, German helmets, and all sorts of military equipment. This could very well be our answer. C. Dead. Similarly to choice A, there's not enough proof in the text to back up the claim that the speaker's father is dead, or has died in between the speaker's writing this text and the present day. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect. And D. A figment of imagination. Likewise, there's not enough proof in the text to back up this claim. If anything, the fact that the speaker describes his father's visits as an uncomfortable squeeze between mother and him, and that when his father's back was turned, mother would let him get on a chair and rummage through his treasures, seems to imply that the father is not a figment of imagination, or else they wouldn't have more than one character interacting with him. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and B, in the military, can be marked as our final answer.